It's like 3:20 in the morning. हम सो गए थे. We actually slept, okay? मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लग रही थी, okay? So I was like, I got up. मैं उठ गया. उसके बाद I'm telling अमन सिंह, अमन मेरे को भूख लग रही है. I don't know how that has translated to us. और अब हम जा रहे हैं कुछ खाने के लिए. This is my first 3 AM लुधियाना गेड़ी to find food.
मैं कॉलेज वाला ढाबे पे जा रहे हैं. अगर नहीं होगा फिर हम कहीं चंडीगढ़ निकल जाएंगे. अगर नहीं हुआ तो मुझे लगता है होगा, क्योंकि कॉलेज टाइम पे हम लोग 3 बजे जाते थे और वाइट बक्कन के साथ परोठे देता था वो. उसको उठाना पड़ेगा लेकिन.
And look at our boy in the stud muffin hoodie. So cute. So cute. Okay, let's go find something nice to eat. सुनसान लुधियाना की गलियों में. Actually, Aman, are you sure anything will be open? It doesn't look like it, man. Everything is like deserted.
मामा ढाबे, ये ट्रक वाले भी तो कहीं ना कहीं खाना खाते हैं, नहीं खाते. तो ये यहाँ तक, ये अभी कॉलेज की बैकग्राउंड तो चल रही है. आगे मेन गेट है. तो बहुत बड़ा कॉलेज है. 4 साल यहीं पे बिताए हैं.
कॉलेज की यादें ताजा.
रात को निकलते थे हम लोग बाइक पे. यहाँ पे
गुरु नानक देव इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज.
I'm an engineer, Baba. I'm an engineer. I told you earlier also.
Since when did they make engineers so hot?
ये तो हॉट वॉट तो पता नहीं. गिल विलेज है.
What is it? Gill Village. There's also a place called Dad Village.
It's Tad.
What is it?
Tad. I think Tad village.
Dad Village. Oh, on maps, yeah, maybe it's Dad.
Dad नहीं है.
I thought it was Dad Village.
Dad का village नहीं है वो.
It's amazing how it's so quiet and there's nothing around. अब मेरे को समझ में आया कि अमन कॉन्फिडेंस इसलिए क्योंकि ये ढाबे वालों का रूट है. I mean sorry, ट्रक वालों का रूट है. तो उस चीज में कहीं ना कहीं ढाबा होगा.
कहीं ना कहीं तो रोड जाता है ये. यही सरदार है बाबा. यही सरदार है.
So I think Aman knows this. Look, it's such a quaint, quiet little dhaba. It's actually amazing. It's like a dhaba.
Because यहाँ पे हमने कॉलेज में बहुत खाना खाया रात को.
I like it. Let's go.
बाबा, I'm तो ready.
Now I understood because अमन का मतलब ये था कि जो ढाबा वाला रूट होता है बेसिकली ट्रक वाले आते हैं. तो this is going to be like an authentic ढाबा type situation. It's going to be amazing. Time दिखाऊं? 3:30 in the morning and there's a hot doggy. Look at how choosy we are. We found the dhaba, okay, but they only have gobi paratha and they've got muri paratha, but we want aloo paratha. So we're thinking of going to a new dhaba.
No, हाँ, तो वहाँ पे भी शायद मिल जाए. ऐसा करते हैं, हम होटल लेके आ सकते हैं. तब तक वो कुत्ते को घुमा रहा है ढाबे वाला.
So should we stay or should we go to another dhaba?
जा सकते हैं. चुपचाप जा सकते हैं. ये तो हमारे पास ऑप्शन है ही.
But the other place is far.
नहीं ये रहा.
So let's go see it. Come, let's go see the other dhaba. Hey, how cute are you looking in the hoodie? I love it.
Because I am a stud muffin bro.
Oh, available on studmuffin.com. Marketing बंद नहीं होनी चाहिए कभी. Even if it's 3:30 in the morning. We've come to dhaba number 2, which looks a lot more populated actually.
Yeah.
I like it. Let's go. I love how choosy we are कि भाई हमको आलू का पराठा खाना पर ये तो ऐसे अच्छा लग रहा है बड़ा. Let's go. Yeah, it's good like makhan. Don't know what he's asking, but sounds nice, buttery. So is that good or bad?
वो तवे उनके पास तवे वाले तो मजा आएगा.
तो हम यहाँ खाएंगे नहीं खाएंगे? I'm confused now.
वो तो तवे वाला है. मजा आ गया. वो तवे पे बनाता है.
यहाँ पे है वहाँ पे. तो हम वहाँ जाएंगे फिर से.
देख लो तवे वाला और अच्छा होता है.
So how does he have it? Wait, I want to see what he means. I want to see what he's got.
मुर्गी क्या खाना है? मिक्स से पहले चना मसाला, शाही पनीर, मटर पनीर, मलाई कोफ्ता, चीज टमाटो कढ़ाई.
I want to eat here.
चलो ठीक है यहीं पे खा लो.
Yeah. Look, I'm actually living the dhaba life. It's amazing. And he's got all of these like veggies right here. So I want to see what's in it. अच्छा क्या है?
सब कुछ अच्छा होगा.
So it's really cool, okay? They've got this traditional cart system and I like the fact that there's a table. That's really cool. I like this. It's really nice. So we can keep our stuff. And I'm waiting for the food now.
यार वहाँ पे तो 12:30 बजे. See?
Oh yeah, look, they're in New York time.
And we are in Cat 2000.
Oh, 2000. We've gone back in time. I like it. हमारा ऑर्डर रिपीट कर दो प्लीज. क्या क्या खा रहे हैं हम?
आलू प्याज और पनीर प्याज के दो परोठे, 4 परोठे,
चना
चना मसाला,
और स्वीट लस्सी.
लस्सी मीठी.
ये दे दो.
एक दो
दो दे दो. ये
अभी दे रहा.
Aman is eyeing like other people's food. He's already made a plan to take me like naan eating tomorrow.
बाबा जाना है, वो तो मिस नहीं करने दूंगा मैं आपको. You will miss बाबा.
अच्छा मैं पहले सब पे इस पे बैठने में बड़ा एक्साइटेड हो गया था. I instantly grabbed a chair and I'm like I'm going to sit on this. But I didn't know how to, like I was just like I'm wearing pants, I can't sit like this today, not in chocolate. I can. Oh, the lassi has arrived. Like this is as Punjabi as it gets. I love that. Like a nice sweet lassi with a side of
And the
onion and the butter
and मेरी चाय आ रही है.
and the chai. I realize I'm feeling so cold. It's 14 degrees, okay? Like in Pahadi, they say Sheda Lago. Which means Sheda is cold. Like I'm feeling cold. What is it in Punjabi? How do you say?
ठंड लगती भी है.
What?
ठंड लगती भी है.
That's actually easy to understand. Thang lag. I don't have the Punjabi dialect down. I can't say it.
You have to say.
Thang lag di pi hai.
Yeah, bro, you said it right.
Did I say Punjabi enough?
Yeah, it is Punjabi बाबा.
Yeah.
Yeah, खाना आ गया.
And I've got we've got like some. Oh, there is the first of our decadence has arrived. Look, what is this?
चना.
Oh, but
You asked for white chana.
I don't know what chana it is. But where is the roti?
Roti is coming, बाबा, coming.
Oh, there. Look. Ding.
ये केड़ा पराठा है?
That's a
Paneer pyaz.
paneer
Yeah,
paratha, and that is our food. Wow, Aman, like you really like.
थोड़ा सा बाकी है इसको आगे.
You can take my butter stick. That's
नहीं यार,
fine.
इसको खाना है. बटर नहीं खाया क्या?
Oh, I love it. So cute. I love this about Aman. Wherever he goes, he always does this. It's so cute. This food is so good. Okay. That is epic. This is so tasty. Beautifully spicy.
Beautiful plan. Enjoying it. You have seen one Aman. This is eating Aman, okay? जो बहुत खाता रहता है, खाने की बातें करता है. You haven't
Yeah, I
seen
think
other side.
everyone is like, how much does Aman really eat? He eats like happily though, which is quite awesome. But this meal is, and I'm sitting on the bed now. Now, anyone who knows me knows मैं चाय बिल्कुल नहीं पीता हूँ. It's not one of my things, but this reminds me of Bombay cutting chai. I love it. मैं ऐसे पीऊँ, ऐसे जैसे आवाज करके पीते हैं. So the way we've like cleaned out our plates, and this is apparently some jaggery, and our bill is 330 rupees, which is actually not bad.
बहुत था.
Look, we're even packing the butter जो हमने use नहीं किया, and the lassi is also going home with us. We're taking it home. So I'm going away from the dhaba with son papri and a lot of memories and a lot of calories. This is actually fun. Let's go home now. Once we go home, for some reason I'm gonna have gajak already. I'm gonna put that into my brain. We're gonna have like some gajak and some son papri. Look, there's a nice Gurudwara darshan I'm doing. Aman is saying that this is called Babaji Deep Gurudwara. Is that it? Babaji Deep?
Baba Deep Singh Gurudwara.
Baba Deep Singh Gurudwara. It's so beautiful. And look,
this
there's.
is another one.
हम घर जा रहे हैं वापस, and this also looks spectacular. It's so well lit
Because of Diwali.
because of Diwali.
Happy Diwali, guys, in advance.
We have finally reached back home. हम 3:19 पे निकले थे. We've come back just at 5 o'clock, which is superb. Now we're having protein.
देख रहे हैं कौन सा फ्लेवर.
मैं पतला कैसे होऊंगा? मैं दिन में तो फैट बर्नर खाया था, रात में खाए पराठे, गज्जक. But fun day. I like it. Thank you, Aman.
आप पारस भवन 4-5 में जाने वाले हो अभी.
We're gonna go to sleep now, and I have to tell you how Aman sleeps. Okay, he sleeps in shavasana like those Egyptian mummies. He sleeps absolutely straight. I'm like, how does he do it? So yeah, bye, good night. Big puchi.
Bye.